Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to VPN on ASUS router for whole home security, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, start by accessing the administration interface of your ASUS router. Open your web browser and enter the router's IP address. The default IP address is usually 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.50.1. Log in using your admin credentials. If you haven't changed them, the default username is often admin and the password may be admin or left blank. Once logged in, navigate to the VPN section in the main menu. Select VPN client from the drop-down options. Click on the Add Profile button to create a new VPN connection. Choose the VPN type you want to use, typically OpenVPN or PPTP. Fill in the required details for the VPN service you are subscribing to. You will need the server details, your username, and password provided by your VPN provider. If you chose OpenVPN, you will also need to upload the OpenVPN configuration file. This file is usually downloaded from your VPN provider's website. After entering all necessary information, save the profile. Look for an option to connect to the VPN, and click on it to establish the connection. Once connected, check the connection status to ensure it is active. You should see an indicator that confirms the VPN is now running on your router. This step secures all devices connected to your home network. You can now enjoy the security and anonymity provided by your VPN. To verify your new IP address, visit an IP checking website. This will confirm that your internet traffic is routed through the VPN server. If needed, adjust any settings in the VPN section to optimize performance or security. Finally, remember to regularly check for updates from your VPN provider for the best performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.